Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, go to your menu page. And then right here on your menu page, you can see Marketplace. Now just tap on Marketplace. Here on Marketplace, you can sell basically anything that you want. Now right here on Marketplace, just tap on Sell. So now what we're going to do is to create a new listing. For example, you want to give your product a name. You also want to have a good picture or an image that represents your product. Now add the title, your price, and then you can choose a category. For example, if it is a dress, a clothing, or it is food, you can select any category that you want or that is accurate or in harmony with your product. After that, select the condition of your product if it's new, used, or like new, or if it's used but in good condition, or if it is used but in fair condition. You can choose any of that. Now you have to describe what is your product is all about. Now after describing your product and entering any necessary information about the product, you now need to tap on Publish. Now just tap on Publish to start selling on Marketplace. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.